Hello again, guys. Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. To my subscribers, welcome back. To my new people, yay, you're in the right place. Go ahead and click that subscribe button now if you haven't already done it. Also, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. So today's video is going to be real short. I've got a new blog coming soon. I believe the URL is going to be JaguarTopGuy.com/blog. I believe it's JaguarTopGuy.com/blog. I'll be putting that in the comment section below so you can follow me there. I invite all of you guys to participate in the blog. Mostly I'll be talking about this dreaded green shower repair that happens inevitably on every convertible Jag. I don't care what year you own or what model, it happens. So I'll be talking about that mostly because that is my area of expertise. I know a lot about this repair, I promise you. You guys that are in the market to have someone fix your convertible top, I give you a low price guarantee. I give you a 5-year warranty on parts and labor. I give you 3 references from guys whose vehicles I've worked on. And most of all, most important of all, I come to you. I work right in your driveway. It doesn't get any better than that. I guarantee you won't be able to get a better deal than any dealership in your local area. So pick up the phone and give me a call at 888-317-9340, 888-317-9340. I'll be talking to you guys soon. Thank you for tuning in. We'll chat later. Bye-bye.